And they talk say they go collect 1 million from churches where they take do am.
Yeah.
Say they take do miracle.
Not true. If I collect 1 million, I not go be like this. For 1 million. Hey, they not collect. I not collect money for them, and they not.
Okay. Can you remember how many churches you have gone to heal this hand?
I've been to many churches. I've already tell you.
Okay.
Yes. I go to many churches.
Okay.
They will heal me.
They will heal you.
Yes, now.
Then after healing you 2 days.
Yes.
It will come back again.
Yes, now. Then try their best.
Okay.
They'll heal me.
Okay.
So after 2 days, I want to come back. And I don't know what to do. That's why I told my husband's sister. I took him to Mr. Kafo Hospital. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And I reached there. I'm okay.
And good afternoon, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the Edo Girl. So I just they watch this fake miracle where expose we never taste. So where almost about 6 pastors come they deliver the same woman at the same time. When we see a lot of pastors, they pray, they sprinkle water for the woman hand, say if they don't heal the woman, say if they put water, the woman hand will be go up small, it swell up, the hand go come down, everything. We don't see all this stage miracle long time ago. The thing don't they get out of hand. The thing don't they too much. It don't they too much. For us to just wake up from nowhere, come carry another man religion, come they serve him, come they worship him. Every time these pastors they come out with one thing or the other, new miracle, new religion, new things. Now they come out. All this wayo, it don't take away the ground whether they do all this wayo for a long time. But our people will not quite understand, because most of their followers, they be the biggest mugu when you fit think about. Most of their followers, if they talk of this, their pastor, they go they vex, they go they shout, they go say, God will punish you, they go they threaten you with everything where they like. Say, now so you go a fire, now so you go, now so some they go heaven. And then they fear to die. I don't know how so many of them want to go heaven if they fear death safe. Because I don't even talk and reach like says make some of una always on one soon papa mona quit die mona go join her for that side. But una not they see una no one die, and apart from that now una they cast and ban pass, now go they cast, now go they bind death, and now so now one go join person when they heaven. So all this miracle up and down, the thing don't come out, come spoil our society where it be say even the work of doctors self, some people not value and bet now their pastor they deceive them. Some people doctor will evaluate them, give them medicine where they go they take. Their doctor will tell them say no, they not fit take that medicine, make they pray. If they pray, their sickness go heal. Most of these pastors, they don't use all this deceive why you send many women, many men go to their early grave. So because we get government we're not there effective, we get a health organization or the health system not there effective, not there organized and everything. Most of these pastors they take advantage of a lot of people, a lot of their congregation, a lot of the citizens in the name of that they deliver, in the name of that they do miracle. And you see all these things everywhere na kata for Africa, not be only Nigeria, Ghana, Zimbabwe, different countries around Africa. Now all this miracle now a lot of people believe on. Now that they wait for a lot of people self, though the thing can cause laziness. Say some people self no one work, that they wait for miracle to happen for them to get money to take work. So to the extent say many of this miracle up and down, miracle money, miracle business, miracle work, miracle exam. The thing don't come make so of our youth come they lazy. Say all they believe on a miracle, everything that God go come do. Even go read the president of our country self, they wait make God come back from heaven, make it come repair the country. So the thing don't tire us. For me, all this on a national disgrace to black people, to black nation. Say we not fit repair our country. We dey wait for one Messiah, we dey wait for one white man wey dey introduce, give us from nowhere, say na him be our God, na him go come repair our country, na him go come bring peace, bring happiness, bring financial stability to families, to people. Before we fit do anything wey we dey do, that thing they take and conquer us, they take and create laziness for most of us as African. Okay. And before all these people come, we get our God, we get our thing where we dey serve. Of which say they come turn that thing to say na demon, na Satan, na whatever. So many of our ignorant people, we don't know themselves, they don't know their identity, they don't know their forefather, they don't know what their forefather was really doing before they bring the enter into this system. They can't carry the thing, they can't start to serve and say this one has come be their God, the Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. So we can't see for this video say this woman when they deny, say they not pay them and everything, they not pay them. So me I call it thinker for my head, say as this woman they deny, say they not pay them. So in as much as African people, all of them, they say that they serve that thing where they call Jesus, that they serve, and this one are their God, this one are their everything. Now this thing will come create Africa, now it will come build roads, now it will come build the whole system for Africa, for everybody. So in as much as all of them believe in that thing, but the moment when you go call Ojuju, that's where they call Juju, that's when our forefathers serve, they believe on, and some of those things, they're effective where the moment you call that thing, you'll see all these Christians, they're going to jump around. They don't want to take it that thing at all. They don't want to take it and they will say, no. They fear. So as this woman they deny now, say they heal her for hand now. I got to think and say, better way talk say, the Juju way they country, he not they hot. If he lost, he not go see what he go take find and they worry all of una. So if to say una believe as Chinese keep their own belief, many people keep, many countries, they keep their own belief. India, all of them, everybody keep their own belief. If to say una keep una own and not carry Christianity, come put for front, say now una can't believe on everything. As this woman just they deny, so, una remember that time self, where man go there on top of tree, where you go put Juju on top of her. Nobody go touch your mango. After we get peace for Africa, nobody they misbehave too much. If your tea even lost self, they will carry Juju and don't see them. They will take until they go from house to house. They will find who thief the thing. That time we get peace for that same Africa. Now, as we talk now, if now where for they do something, as this woman say, now Pastor Okafor, Pastor Krika and the rest, now they all of them, now they hear that in hand, and she not collect money. What is they for just do? If now me, I get power for that country, I be police, if I be here, whatever. I go just off it, just say, okay, madam, you say now they hear, okay, we don't tire for all this exhibition of miracle up and down. So more will take you to do example now. As soon as they ban and cast all those Ogun, Ojuju, Shago, Ifa, all of them, and they cast and ban. Okay, now that one we know. Now more will carry all those Juju come and make you come swear. If you never collect money from Pastor Okafor, if you never collect money from all the associates where they say they perform miracle for your body, make you swear this Ojuju. You will see say this woman go cower. She no go green one swear Juju. I dey tell una. She no go green because that one now the only thing where African man they fear. That thing will come out from the ground of Africa, from the belief of Africa. Now that thing that they fear. This the one that they call Juju. So I dey look one Peru documentary the other day about Peru, their archaeology, all these their all these things where they inside ground and all. Our people today they dig ground, they carry things, pot, carry things, command. All those things, it look very African. When I did my father house that time, he gave where we will play dig something. We go to see broken pot, we go to see different things under. I still see similar thing for Peru. I did think come say so something was there where we believe on. We know if we wake up from one white man to come give us one book saying I will come they read, now want to build road, now want to do everything. Now they set African people back today. This as this woman just they deny for this video so. They'll just bring that Agia baby come out. Ifa or Ogun Shago everything. Bring and come out here. Ayela Ramadan swear. They know the quarrel put. Now person we don't know himself. Now he go say, wait till this woman they talk now. No, not be ye, my dear. Some people, that if you say Jesus or whatever, they know they fear. They don't say the thing they powerless, not to get power, not get power like that. when you measure that Africa spirituality, you'll see them say everybody will start to talk with sleep. All this, I not give me money, oh, I not collect money, oh, na miracle. He might go change now. That woman mad, so he go change. He gets on juju where you go swear 7 days, the thing go start to work. Not be this one where pastor come, they sprinkle water, they lie up and down. So they will go meet the native doctor when they cast and ban. They will go carry juju from them. They will come, they take and take the display for church. If the church bring the religion, you get to bring with it back and up too. As it be say, they say the one way not good, now they tell they back the one way they say good up. That thing not make sense. It think they vex me. Now they hear me. It think they vex me. That is why we have to go back to where we from they come. Only the juju one not the support. Now the one way they tell they do bad, the one way they do evil. No, if you take and do good, it will better for you. If you take and do bad, it will go back to you. Now so they be. No two ways about it. Now only we, and we they do film. When we go carry our own religious belief, what it be our ancestor belief, we go they cast and go they ban them for Nollywood film. Meanwhile, we never see Chinese they banned they are Buddhist, they are Hindu, they never ban them, cast them one day for any film. Now only Africa they cast and ban everything we get to do with them. The juju where they resemble them, they go cast and ban them. But the one where they for carry one white man come, one small white man come, when they call out Jesus, they not go cast and ban them. We need to use our sense. We need to go back to where we're coming from, our belief, our roots, our identity. We need to go back. All those things when they come demonize everything about you now they happy. They make all these pastors see where for they eat, they buy private jet, they live big, they live okay. Inside all of una poverty for them. It has to stop. This woman, they get to interrogate them. They get to find out the truth when they inside everything. Look at her bank transaction. Carry her phone. Investigate her phone. Call everything. May they know the truth, because this one a public disgrace for Nigeria as a whole. For somebody to come out to they fool us. They fool our children. They fool our generation. Most children know they feel they think again if they not quote from Genesis to Revelation. Not be that one we will take build roads. Not be that one we will take get scientists. Not be that one we will take get biologists. Not be that one we will take construct big road, big bridge for our country. Not be that one we will take get good architect. Not be that one we will take construct things to protect our country. Enough is enough for all this display of nonsense for every corner for Africa. Church. Where we supposed to get our fabric, I don't turn to church. So all this, everything I put for years. So if you see and you like the video, please subscribe and like and share for other people to listen and understand how everything they work. I love all of you. Bye bye. And the way girl.